Thutha wa thikũ ithatũ cia kwaranĩria gatagatĩ ka ataaramu a ũrĩmi kuma gĩtarũ kĩa Afrika, mũthia kĩgomano kĩrĩa kĩraharĩirio gũkũ Nairobi gĩkĩrongoreria ũhũthĩri wa bataraitha na ũnoru wa tĩri nĩ gĩtirihirwo. Akĩaria kĩgomano-inĩ gĩkĩ, President William Ruto nĩ acorire mbica ya mabũrũri ma Afrika gũtũra marĩ njara rũhĩ gwakinya ũthondeki wa bataraitha.
It is encouraging to see several African nations making strides in fertilizer production, particularly phosphate fertilizers. However, the absence of nitrogen fertilizer production plants due to high capital requirements underscores the need for regional investment collaboration to enhance our self-sufficiency in fertilizer manufacturing.
Kuringana na President gukinyeria umuthi mabũrũri ma Afrika marehoka ũgũri wa bataraitha makĩria bataraitha ya nitrogen itaro-inĩ ingĩ, ũndũ ũrĩa nĩ ũgwati na ũracũngĩrĩria ũrĩmi kũgĩa goro.
I stand here to make a very strong case for a common strategy, collective action, joint investment and logistical collaboration to ensure every arable acre of Africa's land receives the right type and quantity of fertilizer. This transformation will shift our agricultural production from that of deficit straight into surplus. We call upon the private sector to increase investments in Africa's fertilizer industry and promote sustainable soil management practices.
President Ruto danaria marĩ gũgũtarĩria umithio ũrĩa ũngiumana na ũhũthĩri mũkinyanĩru wa bataraitha, rĩu akĩgweta bũrũri wa Kenya gũkorwo ongereire magetha maguo ma mbembe na makĩria ya makonia bilioni 17 kumana na mũtaratara wa ũheani wa bataraitha ya raithi.
We have increased our agricultural production of maize from 40 million bags to 67 million bags in one season, just because of the correct use of fertilizer.
The major challenge facing agri-food systems in Africa is how to exponentially increase crop productivity sustainably under rapidly increasing demographic pressure and changing climatic conditions.
Gĩtarũ kĩa Afrika gĩkagwetwo gũkorwo na ũhoti wa kũhonia thĩ ng'ima, ĩndĩ ũgwati mũnene ũkaumana na kũhĩnja gwa tĩri na wagi wa ũũgĩ ũrĩmi-inĩ, ũndũ ũrĩa thirikari ciũrĩtio gwĩkĩrĩra.
This is compounded by climate change, inadequate infrastructure and mechanization. Hence, the need to deliberately support and increase investments in agriculture.
It is true that we've been applying fertilizer, lesser quantities, yes, but also inappropriate fertilizer, because we've not done enough soil testing, we've not done enough research and therefore development on the varieties that need to be treated differently.
Ona kũrĩ ũguo gĩtarũ kĩa Afrika nĩ gĩikĩtie mũkana kũrĩ mabũrũri mamwe kuma itaro-inĩ ingĩ makĩmakuruhania na kũrehe bataraitha ĩtakinyanĩirie hamwe na indo ingĩ iria nĩ ũgwati kũrĩ tĩri.
The effectiveness of inorganic fertilizer plummeted by approximately 70% between 2014 and 2022 due to soil degradation, which is worsened by climate change impacts like cyclones and drought.
Handũ-inĩ Kameme TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Bataru wa Mwangi.